Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today, we're diving into the world of gaming with the Nintendo Switch, a console that brings endless flexibility and fun to the table. Whether you're a dedicated gamer or just getting started, there's so much this system has to offer. Let's jump right in and see what makes the Nintendo Switch a must-have for any gaming fan. The Nintendo Switch with vibrant neon blue and neon red Joy-Con controllers is built for endless versatility. At its core is a 6.2-inch LCD screen, perfect for sharp, colorful graphics. This console isn't just about home gaming. It transforms seamlessly from a TV setup to a handheld device, making it ideal for gaming on the go. Whether at home or out and about, this system adapts to fit your gaming style. What makes the Nintendo Switch stand out are its three unique play modes. In TV mode, it connects to your screen for that immersive big screen experience. Switch to tabletop mode, and you have a compact setup perfect for multiplayer fun, anytime, anywhere. Then, there's handheld mode, just detach from the dock, and you're ready to play wherever you like. For players who value flexibility, this design is an absolute game changer. Gaming on the Switch goes beyond just solo play. It supports local co-op, online, and local wireless multiplayer, bringing friends together from near and far. Detachable Joy-Con controllers allow you to easily share one system for instant two-player action. Whether playing with friends on the couch or challenging others online, the Switch makes multiplayer effortless. Nintendo has packed this console with games loved by millions, including classics from Mario and his friends. With such versatility and an expansive game library, the Nintendo Switch offers something for every gamer. Play at home, on the go, or with friends however you choose, the Nintendo Switch keeps the fun going. Thanks for tuning in. With its three versatile play modes, multiplayer options, and amazing games, the Nintendo Switch truly takes gaming to the next level. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and gaming insights. And if you have questions or your own thoughts on the Nintendo Switch, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep gaming, stay awesome, and we'll catch you in the next video.